Hello, now I'm going to explain my lab experiment number 6, single pass assembler for SIC. Our aim is to stimulate the concept of single pass assembler for simplified instructional computer. Description, we'll go to description now. An assembler is a program that acts as an input assembly language program and produces its machine language equivalent along with information from the loader. We'll see that now we are seeing the diagram here, that is assembly language program, assembler, linker and exe. This is a executable program generation from an assembly source program. Advantages of coding in assembly language are provides more control over handling particular hardware components, may generate smaller, more compact executable modules. Now we will come to the algorithm. Open and read input file. If input line has output, start, do the following. If there are any operand field after start, initialize the LC to operand value. Otherwise, if there is no value in the operand field, then LC is set to 0. Write the input line to the intermediate file. We'll do the same following steps until the output is set. Check the symbol table. If the symbol is not available, then enter the symbol into the symbol table along with memory address. If we find an opcode in the table, then increment the LC by 3 and start writing the location counter. If opcode is word, then increment LC by 3. If opcode is RESW, then increment LC by integer equivalent of operand value. If our opcode is RESB, then increment LC by integer equivalent of operand value. Write the processed lines in the intermediate file along with their location counters. To find the length of the program, subtract the starting address. Now we'll see the program. Here we'll give all library files. Here, as we saw in the algorithm, hash table opcode table, hash table symbol equal to new hash table of 30. We are giving the size of the symbols. Here, for line equal to br.read line equal to line. Then, if line contains start, then title equal to C of 0, length will increment. Input, I am giving copy start 2000, the starting address, LDA alpha. These all the program dot assembly language program we are giving, and input file is this, and output will get as we'll see the single pass assembly will start with H, copy, header record, text record and end record. These are all the starting address. In result will alpha 1006, beta 1009, and in this is the output. Thank you.